Updated the 3rd of February 2019. Going to re-up. I mix this with my Vaseline and I've never seen results like this. I added a star. I had to. Once I started using this I found so many uses. I am a big guy. I work out and shower twice a day most days. I can't use lotion because my skin is so dry, and application lasts maybe 5 hours. Add winter and it gets worse. I am also diabetic, for now, and I've always been ashy. I add this to my Vaseline and just go ham. Lol. It got a deeper than just the surface and softened skin over and over. I would usually put on Vaseline in the morning after a shower, and by the time I get home from work, my legs look like I've been rolling in concrete rocks. Lol. Scratched up and ashy. I honestly forgot how I used to reapply multiple times a day and how embarrassed I was when 8 had company. I'd reapply, hang out, and in the morning I was all dusty again. Not anymore. Bonus, I buy Oyen handmade natural deodorant. The product is amazing and works better than any chemical deodorant I've ever used. Unfortunately, the deodorant paste dries out because of the baking powder, I think, within a couple weeks. I hate running out, so I buy 5 deodorants at a time. I used to add coconut oil and mix the paste up every couple of weeks and have to do it again and again. I started using the castor oil instead, and it's a night and day difference. The coconut oil gets used up and the paste gets hard. Not with this. I'll actually use a month's worth, 2 applications a day, and never have to mix it up bi-weekly anymore. For my lips and hands, no more cracking in the winter. For $15, yeah, I am sold. I have half a bottle left and I am getting another one because, why not? $30 a year for great skin, stretching my natural deodorant's efficacy and human heals? Take my money. Lol. 500 stars IMHO. Mom definitely knows best. Original. The 1st of November 2019, my Caribbean mom suggested I mix this with my Vaseline because I get extra ashy. I am diabetic and didn't think it would work. Luckily, the bottle came sealed, not like the horror stories in the comments. One application lasts days. I am a big dude and I like to shower twice a day at least. Which is unbelievable. I do the after shower oil and then put socks on and my concrete looking heels look almost human now. This bottle will last a couple years realistically. It's an old bush remedy that my mom used growing up. Listen to your mom. She knows things. Castor oil is a great, natural oil that is filled with healing properties. Castor oil extracts toxins from the skin. Ask your massage therapist to use only castor oil and feel the amazing difference. Use it as an all-over body moisturizer when you get out of shower or bath. Sleep with castor oil in your hair, massaged on your scalp for an awesome overnight moisturizing treatment. Just make sure you protect your pillow from the oil with a bath towel. Home Health Castor Oil is my favorite for being cold-pressed and cold-processed, hexane and paraben-free. I have used this product as a hair mask and noticed a dramatic difference in shine and lightness. My scalp feels healthier too. I mix half castor oil and half sweet almond oil, to make it easier to apply. I warm up the mixture in some hot water and massage into my scalp, then to the ends of my fried blonde hair. I have been putting it on my eyebrows and lash line as well, and I have noticed my eyebrows have been coming in thicker in only a month of use. Click link in description for more reviews. Tell me the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Please subscribe today to my channel. Please check the description of this video. Thanks.